already eating. So guys, do you want to see me vlog? Okay, I just ate my food already. So I'm just here to go home. So guys, I just have choice. I cannot eat a lot of them. Bro, I just hate that noodles because it's too spicy. It just burned my mouth tongues. Bro, I'm gonna spice my hotness.
Spicy.
Okay, we're just gonna go. We're going to buy my twin pop because they are always my favorite.
Twin pops?
Yep, Mom, you just said yes. So I'm making a video in my car. This is my car. Guys, look at my mom. She's the one who's driving the car. So let's look at my mom. Oh, why is my mom like driving in the car? Like I'm driving in the Ferrari. I'm just. I burped. Sorry, Mom.
Burp a lot, like a male. Are you a male?
I'm not a male, bruh.
And what's the verdict of the food? Let's talk about the one who doesn't like food. The verdict niyo lang.
Okay naman tayo.
No,
Pwede na
why
kayo
am I
ano
flowing?
nila sa bow.
Are you kidding me? Bro, why I'm really glowing? Okay, this is the store. Where was the store? This is where I just ate. So it's so yummy. Guys, do you love my store? You know today I'm gonna go to Disneyland. But not today. It's a secret.
Kailangan pa mangusog ka.
I always love going to Disneyland. It's my birthday and I really love it. Just look at that.
Ay,
Bro, I'm just really in this area. So I just I need to go to Mercury. And we're gonna video ourselves in Mercury. So bye guys. Just wait for that video.